Sairam students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine, doing good at home. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Sairam, we are all fit and fine.
Very good. Nice to hear that. Okay, so are you ready for today's class, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me, do you remember which lesson we were doing, we were discussing?
Ma'am, measurement.
Very good, very good. Measurement. I hope you enjoyed your Sunday, right?
Yes, ma'am. We enjoyed a lot.
Yes, very good. Okay, so we'll begin our lesson with three Omkarams, right? So first, sit straight, join your hands, close your eyes. Om. 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 Sairam students. Okay, so to proceed further, let me present my screen first. So see children, we discussed 2-3 activities from lesson measurement, that is chapter 7. Just a minute. 1 minute. Why it is not opening? Yes, 1 minute. I'll open the PPT first. So we discussed longer, shorter, right? And longest and shortest. Taller, shorter we have done. And we have done tallest and shortest. Okay. So like if I'll take three things, like 1, 2, and 3. Can you see it? What I'm showing?
No, ma'am.
Camera is not on. Okay, just a minute. Give me a minute. I'll come back to you. Yes, can you see the objects, three objects here, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so as we were discussing longest and shortest, so we compare more than two objects, then it is shortest and longest. Suppose there are three things. Okay, I'll take pencils and pen. So I have three, right? So can you see and tell me which one is biggest one?
Ma'am,
The
the
tallest. There will be
pink
a
color
tallest, right?
pencil.
Pink color pencil is the tallest one. ये सबसे ऊंची दिख रही है. And the shortest one is which color one?
Ma'am, the red color pencil.
The red color one. Very good. So it means you have understood it. And today we'll discuss taller and shorter, and tallest, shortest, thicker and thinner. Okay. So first, let me show you a video from Tata Edge class. The system is running slow today. Yes, it has come.
Gia is pencil.
Can you hear this, children?
While J
Yes,
is
ma'am, I can
pencil.
hear it.
Okay.
is shorter.
So they both are having pencil, right? So Jia and this boy. So which one is longer and which one is shorter? So this girl Jia is having longer pencil, as you can see, and this boy is having shorter one, smaller, right? Okay, let's see next.
Here are a few examples of longer and shorter objects.
Now let's see few examples, children. You can see two bats here, right? So one is the longer one, and here this one is shorter one. So longer means which has great length, जिसकी length ज़्यादा होगी, and which has smaller length, that will be shorter. Okay. For example, here we can see two pipes. This one is longer and this one is shorter. Let's see next.
You can see that Jiggy is taller and Jia is shorter.
Similarly, we can also see children in our class, your friends or your siblings at home. Some of them, they will be taller, or you may be shorter because you are a younger one, right? So your height will be shorter. So we are comparing heights here. आपकी height किसकी ज़्यादा है? This boy Jiggy is having more height, so he is taller than Jia, right? Okay.
Look at these examples of taller and shorter objects.
Here you can see these two, horse and baby horse. This one is shorter and this is taller one. And here we can compare two trees. So this one is shorter as it has small or short length, and this is having more or great length, so it is taller. आपको दिख रहा है ना, ये इजीली आप कह सकते हो कि ये टॉलर है, ये ज्यादा लंबा है या
Yes, ma'am.
ऊंचा है, और ये थोड़ी हाइट का है. यहाँ पे भी ये बेबी हॉर्स जो है, फोल, that is smaller height and it is of more height or bigger height.
The window that Jiggy is peeping through is wider, while the window that Jia is peeping through is narrower.
Okay. So children, here one more concept is there in this video, right? Wider and narrower. What does it mean? Wider means, उस दिन मैंने आपको बताया था, suppose we have any object, so the longer side is called, what do we call? Do you
Length.
remember? Length. And the shorter side is known as?
Breadth.
Right. So here, breadth means the shorter one. So you can see the breadth of this window. अभी आप देख सकते हो, wider means we say in Hindi चौड़ा, जो ज़्यादा चौड़ा है. तो आप देख सकते हो the windows, this part, okay? It is more than this window. ये narrow पतली है ना? इसकी आप height तो उतनी ही है दोनों की, बट जो ये विड्थ है इसकी, ये इसकी विड्थ ज्यादा है और इसकी विड्थ कम है. तो जिस ऑब्जेक्ट की या जिस थिंग की हम बात कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे विंडो की, तो एनी ऑब्जेक्ट विच हैज मोर विड्थ, ग्रेटर विड्थ इज कॉल्ड वाइडर, एंड जिसकी कम होती है विड्थ उसको कहते हैं नैरोअर. होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन.
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's see wider and
Here
narrower
are some
stories.
examples of wider and narrower objects.
Yes, more examples to understand, children. Here you can see, what is this? A road, right? It is also kind of road in the mountain. Okay, so which one is wider? Wider means आपको कहाँ breadth ज़्यादा दिख रही है, चौड़ी कौन सी दिख रही है रोड ज़्यादा?
Ma'am,
First or
one.
second?
First one.
आपको दिख रही है स्पेस है इस रोड में.
Yes,
इसमें
ma'am.
इधर से भी कोई व्हीकल जा सकती है, इधर से भी इजीली आ सकती है. बट दिस वन इज नैरोअर, पतली सी है, सकरी सी है ना?
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
इसमें क्या है, एक ही कोई इधर से जा सकता है, अगर इधर से कोई आएगा तो फिर इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट, राइट? सो इट्स
Yes,
नैरोअर. सो दिस इज वन मोर एग्जांपल. हियर यू कैन सी द गेट. सो दिस गेट इज हैविंग मोर विड्थ, इसकी विड्थ जो है ज्यादा है. आप देख सकते हो इतना ओपन सा है ऐसे, और ये छोट, इसका जो विड्थ है ये यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक है, तो that is less than this. So this is narrower and this is wider. Okay.
Yes.
This was the concept from here, children. Okay. Let's have okay. Let's go back to PPT. Yes, this one. Okay. So today my laptop is getting stuck, I think, and going slow also. We'll see the book exercise. Why it's not coming? One minute, huh? Yes, I think your message is here. You have to close this. Yes. Sorry for that, children. It's taking time little bit. Yeah. Now it will come now. Yes. Why it is not coming? Yeah, it's coming. So we'll see our book exercise from this slide. It is taking little time. Just a minute. Yes. Has it come to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay. So we'll see thicker and thinner, right? You can see, children, thinner and thicker. No, this is not the one. This we'll discuss later. Just a minute. Yes. We'll do this one. Tallest and shortest, right? Yeah, it didn't come first. Yes. Now F5. Yes, right. Sorry for the delay, children. Yes, tallest, and use this superlative degree, tallest and shortest. So we have to see which house is tallest. Tallest means we know, we have just seen the example of 3 objects and you said the correct answer. So which is having the great height. जिसकी height ज़्यादा होगी सबसे ज़्यादा वो होगा tallest, right? So here we have 3 houses. You can see them. Can you see them, children?
Yes, ma'am. I can see, ma'am.
Okay, so this first house is tallest one, right?
Yes.
It is given already. Now we'll see, we'll compare 3 trees. Not trees exactly, they are plants. These 2 are plants and this one is tree. So which is having tallest height, or we can say which one is tallest? First, second, third. So yes, of course, the first tree is tallest. Very good. And the shortest one is this one, which is having the least height. सबसे कम जिसकी height होगी. And this one is short. Very good. Now we have a question. Pick the tallest, right? So we have 3 animals here. So we'll compare their height. Can you tell me which is having tallest height or the greatest height?
Ma'am, the crane.
That crane. Very good. So we'll tick this crane, right? So yes. We'll tick like this. And If I'll ask which one is shortest?
मैम द चिकन, या
Yes,
कोई
this is,
छोटा सा बर्ड है.
yeah, bird. Yes. Okay. So take the shortest. Now here we have to do shortest. We have to see, find out which one is shortest. So what are they? They are clowns, joker. Yes. So which is having this least height? सबसे कम height किसकी है? First, second, third.
First one.
First one. Yes. So we'll do this. We'll take this one. Here we have to take the tallest. So don't take it. Actually, I just ask you to clear it. Okay. Let's see the next concept, children. Thicker and thinner. Okay. Thicker and thinner. If I'll say, can you see these two bottles? Can you see it, children?
Yes ma'am.
So which is thicker? Thicker means थोड़ा सा जो fat होता है, मोटा, right? And thinner means जो पतला होगा. So कौन सी बॉटल आपको थिकर लग रही है, कौन सी थिनर लग रही है, पतली?
मैम लेफ्ट, आपके लेफ्ट हैंड वाला मतलब लेफ्ट साइड वाला थिकर है.
ये वाला?
हाँ.
ये राइट है मेरा, राइट साइड एक्चुअली.
ओके मैम, मेरा लेफ्ट साइड. हाँ.
हाँ, तो ये ग्रीन है ना? This is having something green inside. You
Yes
can say
ma'am. Yes ma'am.
this one is thicker, yes, and this is thinner one, right?
Yes ma'am.
So let's see the examples here. You can see ये आपको क्या दिख रही है?
मैम ये तो छोटी है.
छोटी है, तो कौन सी वाली मोटी है? छोटी.
मैम सेकंड वन.
Second one. It's written also this is thicker and this is thinner, right? तो जिसके डेंस बाल होते हैं, बहुत घने होते हैं, उनकी चोटियां भी कितनी कैसी बनती हैं, बच्चों की, उन गर्ल्स की मोटी मोटी, है ना? और जिसके थोड़ा सा कम होते हैं, लाइटर बाल होते हैं या रेयर होते हैं, इतने डेंस नहीं होते हैं, उनकी पतली चोटी बनती है. That is called thinner. And we can see here the example. You can see this, which is thicker and which is thinner. आपको कौन सा दिख रहा है मोटा? First one is?
Ma'am, first one is thicker.
Yes, and second one is?
Thinner.
Thinner. Okay, now let's see the examples. We have to tick the thicker. Okay, so there are broomsticks, झाड़ू जिससे आप घर की सफाई होती है. Okay, so which is thicker? Thicker वाला देखना. Thick मतलब मोटा.
Ma'am, second one.
Second one, yes, and which is thinner? This one, right? So we'll tick thicker here, and here also we have to find thicker trunk. ये पेड़ है ना, ट्री की ट्रंक है, इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रंक. So कौन सी वाली ट्रंक जो है वो थिक है? Which is thicker?
Ma'am, second one.
Yes, second. Very good. Now tick the thinner. You can see rocket kind of thing. Okay, maybe it's a cracker. Okay, which one is thinner? Thinner कौन सी है?
Ma'am, second one.
Second one is thinner. And here we have ropes, which is thinner. This or this?
Second.
Second one. Yes. So we'll do this. Right? Correct answer, children. Very good. Okay, there is a small worksheet for you. Put a tick next to the thicker plank. तो ये लकड़ी का जो एक पार्ट होता है, कट करते हैं, वुडन पार्ट जो ट्रंक वाला, उसको प्लैंक भी बोलते हैं. सो विच इज थिकर? आपको क्या देखना है यहाँ पे? थिकर कौन सा है? सो यू टेल मी विच इज थिकर, फर्स्ट और सेकेंड?
मैम सेकेंड वन.
Second one is thicker. Very good. And color the thinner pencil. What do you have to do? Color. So you can enjoy this activity. Though it's two examples, I have taken two because others are there in the book. Many are there, so you can practice in book. Other day we'll do lots of worksheet on it, right? So thinner pencil. Find out fast.
Ma'am, second one.
Second one. Very good. You gave the example also. So you can color, you can take any color and you can color it like this. Okay, let's see the next one. Thickest and thinnest. अभी आपने देखा थिकर क्या होता है? थिक मतलब मोटा, थिन मतलब पतला. ठीक है, तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे? We will compare three objects and we'll see, we'll use thickest, the superlative degree and thinnest. Okay, so अभी यहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि we have three books, right? And this one is thicker. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा पेज दिख रहे हैं, तो ये मोटी है. This is quite medium and this is thinnest. ये सबसे पतली वाली बुक है. And here also you can see a bundle of paper. You can any like degree or certificate which is folded, है ना? So or any award, any certificate maybe. So which is thickest? जो ज़्यादा बड़ा पेज होगा उसको हम
मैम
round
first
करेंगे.
one.
First one is thickest, right? Sorry. Okay. Now pick the thickest pencil. So it is already done for you children. As you can see, first, second, third. Can you see three pencils here as we compared three pencils in the beginning?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
आपको क्या बतानी थी कि thickest, अच्छा, I asked which is the thinnest. Now I am asking which is the thickest one. I asked tallest, right? Now I'm asking thickest. इसमें से आपको thick कौन सा दिख रहा है? सबसे ज़्यादा thickest.
मैम पेन.
पेन दिख रहा है, ये थोड़ा सा मोटू सा है, right? So it is thickest one. Yes, similarly we have three pencils here and we can see this is little fatter or thickest, right? Here thinnest. So first, second, third brush, three brushes we have and we can see easily this is the thinnest one. सबसे पतला दिख रहा है ये.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, children. So thank you. This was from today's class. We have understood thickest, thinnest, taller, shorter, right? And tallest, shortest. Next class, we are going to do the next measurement units like heavier, lighter, and more. Okay, that's all from today's class. Hope you liked it and understood it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So at the end, we'll do Shantipa. Do you have any question, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So please join your hand. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ramchan, take care. We'll meet in the next class.
Saira, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.